Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Workspace as a CRM. This approach lets you manage client relationships and contact data directly through Google's built-in tools, making it a straightforward solution for small teams or businesses that don't need a full-scale CRM platform. First, open your web browser and head to admin.google.com. This is where you'll access the admin console for your Google Workspace account. Once you're there, sign in using your administrator credentials. It's important to use an admin account here because you'll need the proper permissions to manage contacts and settings across your organization. If you're planning to organize your contacts using groups, navigate to Directory, then click on Groups. This step is optional but useful if you want to segment your contacts into categories like clients, leads, or vendors. If you're focused solely on importing and managing individual contacts, you can skip this and move ahead. While you're in the admin console, take a moment to verify that Google Contacts integration is enabled for your organization. This ensures that all users can access and sync contact data properly. You can find this under your organization's settings or app permissions. Next, open a new tab and go to contacts.google.com. This is where the actual contact management happens. Sign in with the Google Workspace account you want to use as your CRM hub. This will be the central account where all your contact data lives. On the left-hand menu, click Import. This opens the Import dialog where you'll upload your contact list. Before you proceed, make sure your contact file is properly formatted. It should be in CSV or vCard format with standard fields like name, email, phone, company, job title, and notes. If you're working from a spreadsheet, simply save it as a CSV file. Click Select File and choose your prepared CSV or vCard file from your computer. Once selected, click Import to upload it. Google Contacts will process the file and add all the entries to your account. After the import completes, review your new contacts to make sure all the fields populated correctly. Check for any duplicates or formatting issues. Google Contacts has a built-in merge tool if you spot any duplicate entries, which keeps your CRM data clean and organized. And that's it. You've now set up Google Workspace as a functional CRM by leveraging Google Contacts and the admin console. This setup works well for managing client information, tracking interactions through Gmail, and keeping everything synced across your team. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.